Hey guys, I am trying to put a keyless entry in my 91 MR2 and it has been a utter nightmare. As all the information I was shown says, go to the passenger side and get the yellow, black, and the black and bring it over here and hook it up to your control box. Now, I don't know if this had a keyless entry in it. I never did have any indication it did. It doesn't have the security light up here, so I was under that impression. Well, I come to find out there is no reason to go to this passenger side. This is the wiring diagram that helped me the most. It was posted on the MR2 OC, had the 5901 inputs, and that was the answer. It was the green black and the red black off of this plug down here. You see I've got extra crimps now because thinking that I was trying to fit chasing for ghost. But this little box right here is worth 20 bucks on Amazon. Maybe 17 now. Cheap, cheap, cheap. But as long as you figure out the stupid wiring diagram. And ours is, well, mine was the figure C. Get focused on that. Or get the little flexion off of it. And once you get white to the closing, which is the red black, and the white black, which is opening to the green black, that's the hardest thing about it. The yellows go to your ground, and once you get your power hooked up and your negative hooked up to a constant voltage, good to go. It's that easy. $17, you get a keyless entry MR2. And it looks, I like that keyless entry was the nicest looking one. And this is a 91 turbo, early October. Number 911. And this keyless entry was a mess trying to figure out from the site, and nobody really answered me on it, but we finally got it done. And like I said, it's in this plug down at the bottom. It's not in the one up top, it's the one at the bottom. And see, I'm hooked up to the red black, and behind all that mess is the red green. But this is your key. not this nonsense. When I kept thinking, oh, I had to go to the passenger side. This did not need to be done at all. Total BS on that. On this version of the MR2 anyway. So anybody's trying to hook up a keyless entry, simple install, if you just know the wires are at. And hope this video helps you guys. I do a lot more to this thing, but you guys take care and hope this helps somebody.